Well, I'm Miss Marana here, and today I am doing small bathroom ideas. So we're gonna be looking at some pictures. I don't know how much pictures we're gonna be looking at, but we're gonna be looking at a picture. Okay. So the first picture we are looking at is this bathroom right here. It's a small little bathroom, and you see they have like a good size mirror.
There's a bathroom?
Yes, it's a bathroom. Okay, you see, they have a sink. They have a mini size sink with a skinny leg sink, and you see where they put the the tissue. The tissue is right there. They do a design for the tissue, and you see where they put like towels in a little basket, and you see up top there is where they put like a towel, and up there you see like a picture frame, you see. And one thing about when you're doing a bathroom, especially when it's small, you have to think of the what color can go there, what color can look nice there, and they use like a gray color, and the scheme of the bathroom is very nice because it's white and gray and black, and it has things that is popping the colors. So a small bathroom. This is also a picture of a small bathroom, and look how they put you cannot really see it, but they put like the sink this way, because maybe the bathroom is facing to the wall. Everything is facing to the opposite wall. They have the toilet, they have the tissue at the side here, and they have a little basket, a little cute little basket. I don't know if you can put like, maybe you can put your clothes in that. And then up top you see where they have like little baskets, like little cute little basket. They turn into shelves.
Daddy, there's a bathroom?
Yes, that is a bathroom.
There's a baby?
Okay, up top of this bathroom,
There's a bathroom?
one thing about
There's
a bathroom
baby
or any type of
bathroom?
size, yes, it's a bathroom. Of
Baby?
any,
There's a bathroom?
yes. When you're looking at this bathroom, it's very cute too. Always put, when your bathroom is small, always put a lot of light, because you don't want to in there to be dark, especially when they don't have any windows. So this one is also a little small little bathroom. You know, people say they don't like small bathrooms. They don't know how to design a small bathroom. You know, they don't know what to do when they're doing a bathroom. This is a good example. They put like in the picture here, I'm gonna have it on the screen. So in the picture here you see the sink. When you're looking at the sink, you see that they have a built-in sink was not really taking over the space. Maybe it was custom made, because that looked like custom made and it's beautiful. I like how they do that design there. It makes it small but big there. And they put the toilet, and they have a picture frame again on top of the toilet, and they have a little what do they call it, a mirror, a medicine cabinet, cute. And they put a little trash, a little tissue. You see, like, small bathrooms can be cute. We're looking at just the sink. It's just the sink itself. And when you're designing a sink, like when you have like a sink in your bathroom, always put a mirror. Do not overdo the mirror. I hate when people overdo mirrors, especially in a small room. Like if you have a big, huge bathroom, you can put a big old mirror in there. But once your bathroom is kind of small, you don't really want to overshadow it with a big huge mirror, because the mirror is going to really take all the space that the room have, and you won't have nowhere to put like nothing. So I like how they put like the three lights up top there, and I really like how they do the mirror look like a cabin or something. It looks very cute. And I like the little frame. Start each day with a grateful heart. I really like that one. And they have like a Febreze plug-in, and they put like hand wash, a little towel, and at the side here is like a little tissue. So I hope you guys enjoyed this segment with small bathrooms. So don't forget to subscribe to Mama's Rona channel.